Howdy y'all, Big Tex. It is a beautiful Monday, January 5th of the year of our Lord 2026, and it just keeps getting better. The sun has finally come out. I know it's misty up here in the Big Easley, but today the sun has come out and we are blessed. And today we're doing something a little different, but I really just want to show off all the 4Runners we have on our lot at the moment. Right to my right, we got a 2025 iForce Max 4Runner. This is the TRD Off-Road package. It's a beautiful 4Runner. Going on to the next one, we got a beautiful TRD Pro. These things are super hard to come by, and we absolutely would love to send it off to you, and it is a beautiful vehicle, ready for you, ready for your driveway. Let's get it in there. Moving on, we got an SR5. Like we say, 4Runners run and run and run, and these ones are beautiful, and they're just for you. Then on the next one, we got another white SR5. Now, like we talk about 4Runners, they're beautiful. We got the four-wheel drive ones along with everything else. Then on the end, we got a beautiful 2017 Limited. Now these are the older body styles, but we absolutely love the 4Runner. We love the 17, and today I just wanted to get something quick out, just show you what we have on the lot, because I feel like whenever I separate the videos by themselves, you're missing so much. But we got tons of 4Runners on our lot. We got tons of inventory right now, and I want to make sure that I share it off with you. And like I said, it is a brand new year, brand new time, and right now we got a ton of brand new inventory just for you. I say it all the time, but I can't stress how much our name means a great deal, and that's what we're here to do. I'm Big Tex, and I'm going to find you that Texas-sized deal anywhere I can, any way possible. Let's get you down here for a 4Runner. Yeah, let's get out of here, Jay.